Buenos dias! We have left Brazil and are ready to immerse ourselves in a new culture as we touch down in Panama City. And no better way to start than in the old town of Casco Viejo.
Our journey is taking us from São Paulo in Brazil over the Amazon to this tiny but incredible country called Panama, which connects South and North America. And even though it's most famous for the Panama Canal, there's so much more to this country which we'd like to show you. Hello!
Good morning. Or should we say bon dia?
Or buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
We're not in Brazil anymore. We've spent the last 4 months in Brazil, if you haven't been following us. And now we're in Panama. We arrived a couple of days ago and today we're exploring the old part of Panama.
Yeah, and even when you come in, it does feel very historic and there's lots of really pretty buildings. So me for one, I really like this. I love the art, always loved architecture. And yeah, can't wait to explore Panama City.
Yes, there's a lot to see, so buckle up.
It's gonna get crazy. Hola!
Guys, you do not understand how hot it is here. If you've never been to Latin America, we are so close to the equator here. It's 10 in the morning here. I'm sitting down fanning myself whilst beads of sweat are rolling down my face. And I'm a girl, I don't even sweat that much. It is hot, but you know, if you like the heat like us, I do enjoy it. But you know, from time to time you do find refuge somewhere, have a coffee with some aircon and come back out again. We took a little break from the heat by going to the Metropolitan Cathedral, which is overlooking the town square. It is cool and beautiful inside and has many relics and stained glass windows. And unbeknown to us in that moment will be the focal point to the processions we watch a few days later. Well, hello there.
Hello there. See, one thing you can hear in Panama, more than any other place, is the birds. There's so many tropical birds here. And it's just great, because you can literally just close your eyes, forget everything, listen to all these beautiful tropical birds here. Hello party people, so we've been around here the last couple of hours and it's been very pretty. You're saying to Pat how nice it is to see so many modern buildings, also right next to some buildings which are literally like ruins here.
Casco Viejo was built on a peninsula to make it more secure from pirate attacks and was booming during the colonial period. With Panama City expanding, this part of town began to decline. But construction has really picked up in the last 20 years and has made it into the vibrant and historically rich area that it is now.
Hello!
Hey! So they've got a really cool thing here with the Panama hats obviously being sold absolutely everywhere. And now their decoration as well. I wonder what they look like after rain. But they do look very pretty.
It's really cute, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. The whole place is really lovely. It's very lively and colorful and just, yeah, really quaint.
There must be the nest part, right?
Yeah, I think there are a couple of nests here.
Panama is a birdwatcher's paradise with over 1,000 recorded species, apparently more than US and Canada combined, which is insane considering Panama is the size of Scotland. Both Patty and I enjoy listening to their singing a lot, and it's so tropical.
There's natural aircon here. It's going right through my dress. I love it.
Staying here, this is lovely. Come out of nowhere.
The wind, yeah. The breeze.
All the ships in the distance. It is crazy though what you've been hearing in the news probably about this place. Who knows what's going to happen? Every day is a new journey.
Walking through Casco Viejo is quite charming. Every corner we turn, there's a mixture of old and newly refurbished buildings. There are shops, restaurants and hotels. This place looks very different to the last time I visited around 15 years ago. And to my delight, we found a vegan cafe.
When you go travelling, you find it difficult to find.
Yeah, it's not always you find stuff like this. Especially in Brazil, struggled a little, but we found one. As a vegan traveler, I've learned to be flexible, but I get very happy when I find a gem like this. Well, hello there.
Hello there.
Enjoy Casco Viejo?
Been beautiful. Lots of history, very hot, and just a nice way to spend the afternoon, isn't it? Looking around here, really pretty.
This was our first day in Panama City, but not our last in Casco Viejo. In the next 2 weeks, we still go back a couple of times, including in the evening. This city has been expanding and changing a lot from the last time I visited. The modern skyline with intense humidity and tropical birds everywhere is an interesting mix and one I really enjoy. It's very different to neighboring countries in South America, and if you've never been, I would highly recommend a visit.
It's been so nice visiting the historic part of Panama City. We hope you enjoyed it as well. Join us next week as we take you along to see the iconic Panama Canal. Hasta luego!